In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting on Calendly. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Calendly account. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule a meeting for someone quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into Calendly and you're on your home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing in, where all your event types are listed. Think of event types as templates for the kinds of meetings you offer, like a 30-minute intro call or a 1-hour follow-up session. Choose the event type you want to use for this particular meeting. You'll see it displayed as a card or tile on the dashboard. On that event, look for the book meeting icon. It looks like a small calendar with a plus sign in it. This is different from simply copying your booking link. Instead, it lets you schedule a meeting on behalf of someone else. Click that icon to open the booking window. A panel will appear where you can fill in your invitee's details. Start by typing the person's name, then add the email address they use for meeting invitations. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the email address so they actually receive the confirmation and calendar invite. This is also helpful if you plan to reuse their information later, since Calendly can remember recent invitees. Next, look over to the calendar on the right-hand side. This shows your availability for that specific event type, based on the rules you've already set up in Calendly. Navigate to the date you want to use and click on it. Once you've selected a day, you'll see a list of available time slots. Choose the time that works best for you and your invitee. Keep time zones in mind here. Calendly usually handles time zone conversions automatically, but it's still a good idea to confirm that you and your guest are talking about the same time. After you've entered the invitee's name and email and selected a date and see, you're ready to finalize. Review everything briefly, then click on the button labeled Book Meeting. Calendly will create the event, send a confirmation email to your invitee, and add it to your connected calendar, depending on your settings. That's all there is to it. You've just booked a meeting on Calendly directly from your dashboard using one of your existing event types.